I for India. Over the past few weeks, you and I have seen this emerging big, exciting opportunity for India. Made in India iPhones. But how big of an opportunity is it really? And with 26% of tariffs imposed on India, will this turn profitable? And how will the job market benefit from this? In this video, we answer it all for you. The infamous Trump tariff shook more than 180 nations. As of now, there is a pause on tariffs for 90 days apart from China. Now, the US is India's single largest trading partner. It accounts for about 18% of total goods export. A 26% tariff could affect electronic shipment, undercut profits, and create an unsettled supply chain. But when we look at the global picture, India is still better placed when compared to China at 104% and Vietnam at 46%. And Apple is vulnerable to these tariffs. See, Apple carries out about 85% of its production from China. And if it costs $1,000 to make an iPhone in China, it will cost over $2,000 in the US, which is about 1,68,000 rupees. Now, Trump tariffs create an existential supply chain crisis for Apple, who now face 54% duty on Chinese imports. Now, Apple also hasn't really said anything yet, but its stocks did plunge by nearly 9% following Trump's tariff announcement, hitting their worst day since March 2020. On the other hand, tariffs make India a more attractive option against China for many multinationals. Apple is targeting around 25% of its iPhones globally to be made in India. And with China's 54% of tariffs, Apple looks at India as its best opportunity. This could increase India's iPhone production capacity to 15 to 20% by the end of 2025. India's massive smartphone export drive, led by Apple's contract manufacturers such as Foxconn, Tata, Pegatron, is a proof of India's rising capability. Now, according to Business Standard, Apple is opening a second manufacturing facility in Bangalore, where Foxconn has built a $2.6 billion plant. The facility is designed to produce 300 to 500 iPhone units per hour, with plans to manufacture the iPhone 16 and 16e models. The plant is expected to be completed by December 2027 and will eventually create up to 50,000 jobs. Apple suppliers and partners will create new jobs for assembly lines, logistics, quality control, and management. Production-linked incentive scheme of government and $2.7 billion in incentives are attracting more global tech companies to set up shop in India. India's growth in related sectors such as electronic components, packaging, and transport is also expected to increase. In FY25, India exported iPhones worth $7.4 billion, and the Indian-made iPhones are already finding their way into global markets. So, are you buying into the idea of I for India? Tell us what you think in the comment section.